We are still on track to launch models this year. As with all major releases, the team is currently addressing the final round of issues that typically arise during this stage. The process is well underway, and there is nothing presently preventing production from beginning within the timeline outlined in our initial remarks. The automotive industry is facing a fundamental transformation as Elon Musk's disruptive $10,999 Tesla Model 2 prepares to enter the market. Tesla has successfully broken through the $11,000 price barrier without compromising the performance or advanced technology that made the brand a global leader. But how can eager customers secure a place on the waiting list for the Model 2? What many consumers may not realize is that Tesla has completely redefined its production strategy for this launch, significantly altering traditional automotive budgeting principles. In this detailed analysis, we will uncover precisely what Elon Musk and his team have been developing behind the scenes. Don't skip over this critical update, subscribe to Auto Intel and activate your notification alerts. At first glance, the $10,999 price tag on the Tesla Model 2 might simply appear to be a highly affordable offer. However, this number signals a profound shift that is deeply unsettling for automotive giants in Detroit and Beijing. This vehicle represents a declaration that the established paradigms of industrial strength and control have collapsed, and Elon Musk is already laying the foundation for a new era. At the heart of this disruption is a powerful combination of metallurgical innovations from SpaceX and Tesla's game-changing approach to manufacturing. While the public was focused on rocket launches, a silent breakthrough was unfolding behind the scenes, a revolutionary lightweight and durable alloy designed for space applications. Elon Musk diverted this innovation into the Model 2's vehicle frame. Internally known as Project Obsidian, this classified manufacturing overhaul has reportedly reduced production costs by an astonishing 78% when compared to traditional auto manufacturing methods. To put this into perspective, while companies like Ford and General Motors continue to operate assembly lines built on decades-old infrastructure, Tesla has integrated cutting-edge aerospace-grade materials into a new vehicle frame that is lighter, more cost-efficient, and ready for mass production at unprecedented scales. One leaked figure is sending shockwaves through corporate boardrooms: $7,800. That's Tesla's new estimated cost per vehicle based on internal documents. When this cost benchmark was initially shared in 2021, industry experts dismissed it, saying it couldn't be achieved until at least 2030. Elon Musk not only reached the figure, he surpassed it. Traditional automakers now face a cost-driven war for which they are entirely unprepared. Compounding their challenges is the competitive threat posed to China's electric vehicle leader BYD. For years, BYD has been seen as the rising power in affordable electric cars, until now. The Tesla Model 2 enters the market at a price point lower than BYD's compact EVs but with significantly superior technology, including Tesla's proprietary software, battery systems, and integrated Starlink connectivity. The Model 2 jeopardizes BYD's ambitions for expansion across Europe, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. More critically, Tesla isn't just leading on cost, it's securing long-term pricing superiority. In a largely unnoticed strategic maneuver, Tesla obtained exclusive rights to lithium reserves totaling 14.3 million tons. This is enough to support the production of 85 million Model 2 vehicles. While competitors are struggling to secure next year's supply, Tesla has established a rare earth stockpile, in conjunction with in-house battery production, that ensures pricing advantages for at least the next 5 years. This puts every other manufacturer, BYD, Volkswagen, Toyota, at a serious disadvantage. The implications for the broader industry are severe. Analysts now forecast a potential bankruptcy wave, with 3 to 7 major automakers globally at risk of going under by 2027, and the first expected as early as the second quarter of 2026. The collapse of smaller suppliers is already underway as Tesla vertically integrates more of its parts production, reducing reliance on third-party manufacturers. But beyond industry upheaval, the Model 2 strikes at something more personal. Transportation expenses have become a form of modern economic hardship. Between insurance premiums, fuel costs, maintenance, and car loan repayments, the average American now works over 11 weeks each year just to remain mobile. That's nearly 3 months of labor annually devoted solely to transportation expenses. The Tesla Model 2 doesn't merely save money, it restores time, independence, and peace of mind. Ask yourself, what is more astonishing, the cost, the technology, or the fact that this innovation may force legacy automakers out of business? If you believe the Model 2 represents a turning point in automotive history, type Model 2 domination in the comments. Because this isn't just about cost cutting, it's about revolutionizing what it means to own a car. What if your next vehicle didn't drain your finances but actually contributed to them? That's the financial disruption Elon Musk has introduced with the Tesla Model 2. Priced at just $10,999, the initial sticker shock is just the beginning. When factoring in operational savings, potential earnings, and Tesla's reimagined ownership model, the economics of car ownership are fundamentally altered. Consider fuel costs. The average American spends approximately $1,500 annually on gasoline. With the Model 2, annual charging costs drop to around $400, and even less if utilizing Tesla's expanding free Supercharger credits. Over 5 years, that's a $5,500 savings, which covers nearly half the car's purchase price. Additionally, the elimination of oil changes, emissions testing, and routine engine maintenance saves another $500 or more each year. Cumulatively, this means the $10,999 Tesla Model 2 could approach net zero ownership costs for many drivers. But the benefits go further. Elon Musk's long-discussed robo-taxi network is on the verge of reality. The Model 2 is engineered to participate in this system. With Tesla's full self-driving suite nearing full deployment, owners will soon be able to generate passive income by having their vehicles operate as autonomous ride-hailing cars while they are at work or asleep. Even modest estimates suggest that owners could earn approximately $5,000 annually. Over 5 years, that's $25,000, more than double the Model 2's retail price. Tesla is also poised to revolutionize the ownership structure with its Drive-as-a-Service subscription model. For $99 per month, drivers may soon access the Model 2 with full insurance coverage and unlimited supercharging, with no upfront cost, no traditional financing, and no maintenance concerns. It's a subscription-based model for personal transportation, akin to streaming services in the entertainment sector. For the 60% of Americans living paycheck to paycheck, this model eliminates the stress of auto loans and unexpected repair costs. Even resale has been reimagined. Tesla is reportedly developing a resale guarantee platform, wherein Model 2 owners can return their vehicles after 3 years for 80% of the original purchase price, facilitated by an AI-driven certified pre-owned program. This would bring the real cost of ownership down to just $2,200 over 3 years, less than many used smartphones. However, the returns are not only financial. The Model 2 offers relief from rising fuel costs, eliminates repair worries, and delivers the satisfaction of supporting environmental sustainability. More than just a product, it is a lifestyle transformation. If you're questioning whether the Model 2 is worth it, you're asking the wrong question. It isn't just a car, it's a financial asset. It's your chance to participate in the $2 trillion autonomous mobility market. It's like investing in Bitcoin in 2010, except now, your investment is parked in your driveway. So, how do you secure a place in line for the Tesla Model 2? On the surface, it seems straightforward. Visit Tesla's official website at www.tesla.com, select the Model 2, and submit a fully refundable $99 deposit once the vehicle becomes available. However, there is a sophisticated system operating beneath this simple interface. Tesla is not merely releasing a car, it is rethinking how access is granted. Contrary to public perception, this is not a conventional first-come, first-served release. Tesla is deploying a strategic, phased rollout that considers factors such as geographic location, brand loyalty, and community engagement. According to internal sources, the initial Phase 1 deliveries are scheduled to begin in Q3 2025 in states where Tesla's manufacturing capacity is already operating at scale, namely Texas, Nevada, and California. Phase 2 will target high-demand markets including Florida, Arizona, New York, Georgia, and the Los Angeles metropolitan area by Q4 2025. The international rollout, which includes Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia, is anticipated in early 2026, following the completion of retooling efforts at Giga Berlin and Giga Shanghai. Here's the reality: Tesla's internal systems have already registered more than 1.22 million early access requests before the public waiting list officially opened. This means demand is far greater than most consumers realize, and a $99 deposit may not ensure a quick delivery. So, how can you increase your chances? One method involves owning a current Tesla product. Whether it's a vehicle, Powerwall, or solar roof system, existing Tesla customers receive an unadvertised priority tier known as the Tesla Loyalty Pass. This privilege accelerates your Model 2 order in the queue. Additionally, Tesla's referral program plays a critical role. Using a referral link from a verified power user can flag your order for priority processing, an inside strategy known only to a select group. Furthermore, there are rumors about a Tesla community initiative that may allow prospective buyers to move up the line by committing their Model 2 vehicles to public service functions, such as ride-sharing or deliveries in underserved areas. For the first time, Tesla is prioritizing mission-driven ownership over financial status. So while reserving your Model 2 is step 1, understanding the deeper mechanics behind the reservation system is the key to driving one sooner. Whether you're located in New York, Sydney, or London, this moment is not just about keeping pace, it's about seizing an opportunity. Many will ignore this chance and continue spending more than they need to on outdated transportation models. But you're still here. That means you're ready to think ahead. Will you lead the transition, or watch it pass you by? Let us know in the comments. We read every message. Be sure to subscribe and activate notifications. Auto Intel will continue to deliver exclusive insights, leaks, and strategies to help you stay ahead in the new age of electric vehicles.